My name is Dr. Dennis Goodman. I am a clinical professor of medicine at NYU and I'm director of the integrated medicine program at NYU. When you do interventional cardiology, and especially in those days, we had to wear very heavy lead aprons to protect us from the radiation. And because I'm tall, I ended up developing severe back pain. And I was told that you're probably going to have to need a spinal fusion. So I went for a consultation with a top neurosurgeon, head of the department. I told him my story, and he listened to me, and he examined me, and I will never forget the words. He said, "Dennis, my friend, in your situation, the only surgery that's not recommended is the first one." And when you think about what he was saying, if I operate on you for what you're complaining of, it'll be the first of many. And how many people do we know that had back surgery not once, many times? And the last thing you want is to go and have a procedure that results in a complication from a procedure that you didn't necessarily need and in fact made you worse. And somebody recommended a sports trainer to me, and he said, "Dennis, I take care of athletes, and I've seen many people with chronic back pain, and I know that I'm going to get you better, and I am going to strengthen your back. But I've never had that chronic severe pain that I had then." And I think I learned a really important thing. If I hadn't gone to the right doctor, a person who gave me the very best advice, and he gave me information that made me realize if I had gone down that road, I could have had 6 surgeries by now. I could have been out of medicine. I could have definitely not had a career in interventional cardiology. Physicians that are comfortable, that are well trained, that are experienced, that are confident, welcome you to get a second opinion.